Okay, straight down that way is called Cunha, so it's a very, very busy street. Just walk over on this side, and you can see all the crowds of people. So we're actually going to walk down that street, and it's called, yeah, sometimes they'll call it like a food street, Cunha. There's some rooftop restaurant up there, and give you a little bit of an idea where we are before we go down. But we're also in another popular tourist place up here, which has some coffee shops right there. More Christmas themes. Tomorrow's Christmas Day. It's Christmas Eve as I'm filming it, but I probably won't upload it right away. And this will basically go up to there's lots of tourist stuff all the way throughout this area. But our target is going to be that over there, Cunha. So we're going to walk down the hill and go all the way down through those crowds. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's going to be our target street down that way. So we're going to say goodbye to all this up here. A lot of these streets you could definitely explore as well. But we are going to go this way. It's Christmas Eve. So we have all these poinsettia flowers everywhere. Sometimes I don't upload it immediately, so I have a little backload of other videos. So this probably won't go up today for sure. Okay. So we're going to try to go through the whole crowd of people. So that's where we came down. We're just gonna wait until we can go across. Let that person go by first. Okay. So they're capturing the street lighting. So hold the camera up while we go through this. A lot of people got their cameras because it's kind of a nice photogenic spot. This is one of the busiest streets, busiest street in Taipa for sure. More alleys. So we got some nice lighting now. Okay, so that's Cunha.
种全部都买。应该有。那你们在这排的，我去找那个安海毛。还没点水。你不是排那个安海毛吗？我冇着紫色喎。太多人了。
豬餅、煲打、豬巴馬、蝦餃。喂，你覺得？
喂，等下有冇食過雞絲翅？你哋？
Hey. Very, very busy street, as you can see. So we're just gonna come out to the end here. Let's see. I got a countdown show. Let me just see what this is. So today, the 24th, we're gonna miss that, but there's a countdown show tonight. I guess it's for Christmas. So I won't. Then you got a light show things. So that was Cunha directly down that way. This right here is a very famous, a lot of people take pictures right here, the entrance, because it's kind of spectacular. There was more down here, which maybe I'll just walk briefly just to kind of show you. And then we're going to turn the camera back and walk towards Cunha again. But this is Regador Street up here. And Regador will go to the casinos. So you can see Galaxy Casino in the distance over that way. And over here is Taipa Centro. For the Nike store, they'll reference it as a Nike store usually. Okay, so we're gonna walk back towards Cunha. And then we're gonna end our video. So there's Cunha. Just kind of walk slowly towards it and try to capture it on screen. And then we're gonna end the video once we get back into it a little bit. But yeah, it's quite photogenic, as you saw. Okay, so if you liked it, this is Cunha guy with the Cunha. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.